So hey guys, um, I finally got my Velicos connected to my computer. Just had to run it as administrator. So I went ahead and put Aerox Silent sound on to turn my saber into a stunt saber in a way. Just with all the cool stuff on it still. I will be getting a new blade for this one, probably this weekend sometime. So the only thing I don't like about it is the static noise that it still makes. Um, I forget why it said it makes it for. Um, so it's technically a stunt saber now. Nothing going off. So that's how that works. So I don't have to send this in anymore or anything. Um, so I basically have a really cool stunt saber in a way, and it's still Guardian Blue. So that's that, and um, hopefully I'll get some more sabers here soon. So that's my simple review on the Silent Sound Pump by Aerox. So see you guys.